Trifilon started with a rather simple but powerful idea. We wanted to change how materials are made. And we do it by providing carbon-smart materials, so low CO2 emissions, catering to our customers' need of lowering their CO2 impacts. We do that also by including more bio-based raw materials instead of fossil ones. So actually we're solving two problems in one go. How this is made in 3 simple steps is sourcing your bioresources, it's mixing them in our proprietary processes, and the third one is of course analyzing, improving, optimizing it. And that's the loop that we're in, so 1, 2, 3, simple as that. We supply our materials to a broad range of industries, everything from consumer items like the glasses you wear, all the way to mobility, automotive and more advanced applications. So we don't have really much restriction. We try to cater if the material fits, it goes in there and it provides the sustainable solution it's supposed to be. We need to make it easy for industry to adopt our solutions. That's a matter of design. So it's a very low step to start using these biocomposites. They might seem like this foreign thing and new thing, but they're very easy to integrate. What's next for Trifilon is to advance further our material offers to cater to even more applications. And especially I would say applications that maybe today doesn't have one single green solution to choose from. So our development is driven by where on the market are we the most useful, and that's what we will do.